Hi there! Struggling to keep your projects organised, tasks on track, or team collaboration smooth? What if I told you there's a single tool that can manage everything, from tasks to docs to goals, all in one place? In this video, I'm going to walk you through ClickUp, the ultimate productivity platform, step by step, so you can start using it like a pro. Stick around, because this is going to transform the way you work. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about what ClickUp is. ClickUp is a cloud-based project management and productivity platform that brings all your work into one place. Think tasks, documents, time tracking, goals, and even team communication, all in a single app. Unlike tools like Trello or Asana, ClickUp is super customizable, letting you tailor it to your workflow, whether you're managing a blog, running a business, or planning a personal project. Plus, it has a free forever plan, so you can try it out without spending a dime. Ready to see it in action? Let's set up an account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type clickup.com into the address bar. Press enter to go to the website. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Enter your full name, work email, and create a strong password. After filling in the details, complete the CAPTCHA, then click the Play with ClickUp button. Next, you'll be asked to verify your email. Enter your email address and ClickUp will send a verification code. Enter that code to confirm your email and log in securely. After logging in, you'll be taken to the setup screen. Here, choose the type of space you're setting up: work, personal, or team. Select the one that suits your needs. For this example, I'm choosing personal. You'll then be asked to provide some basic details to customize your profile. This includes entering your name, uploading a profile photo, and selecting a color theme to make your workspace feel personalized and more comfortable to use. Next, you'll be guided to create your first workspace. This is like your main hub, where all your projects, tasks, and team activities live. Think of it as your virtual office or project base. I'll name mine Answer This Projects for this example. During this step, you'll also get the option to invite team members. If you're working solo or just exploring the platform for now, feel free to skip this step and revisit it later. Once everything is set up, you'll be taken to the main ClickUp dashboard, where you can start exploring the interface, create your first task, and begin organizing your work efficiently. Now that you're in, let's break down ClickUp's interface. On the left, you've got the sidebar. This is your control center. At the top, you see your workspace name. Below that are sections like Home, Notifications, and Your Spaces. Spaces are like big project categories. Inside each space you have folders, and inside folders you have lists, which hold your tasks. This is called the ClickUp hierarchy, and it's key to staying organised. For example, let's say I'm managing my YouTube channel. I'll create a space called Content Creation. Inside that, I'll add a folder called Video Production, and within that, a list called Tutorials. Tasks go inside lists, like Record ClickUp Video or Edit Thumbnail. You can customize this hierarchy to fit any workflow, from marketing to personal to-do lists. Let's set one up to see how it works. Tasks are the heart of ClickUp. To create one, click into a list, hit New Task, and give it a name, like Script YouTube Video. You can add a description, assign it to yourself or a team member, set a due date, and even add subtasks for smaller steps. For example, I'll add subtasks like write script and record voiceover. You can also add custom fields like priority levels or estimated time to track specific details. ClickUp lets you view tasks in different ways. List view for a simple checklist, board view for a Trello-like Kanban board, or calendar view for deadlines. Let's try switching to board view. See how tasks move from to do to in progress to done. This flexibility makes ClickUp so powerful. Try playing with these views to see what works for you. Now let's explore some of ClickUp's standout features. First, Docs. ClickUp has a built-in document hub where you can create notes, wikis, or project plans. Let's create a doc called Video Ideas and jot down some notes. You can share these with your team or embed tasks right in the doc. Next, time tracking. ClickUp lets you track time spent on tasks. Just open a task, click the timer icon, and start tracking. This is great for freelancers or teams billing by the hour. You can even pull reports to see where your time's going. Finally, automations. These are game changers. Go to your space settings and you can set up rules like when a task is marked done, move it to a completed list, or when a due date is set, assign it to a specific team member. Let's set up a simple automation to notify me when a task status changes. Automations save you time and keep things consistent. ClickUp shines for team collaboration. You can invite team members to your workspace by clicking Invite Members in the settings. Assign tasks, leave comments, or even tag someone with an @ mention to keep everyone in the loop. There's also a chat feature for quick communication. ClickUp integrates with tons of tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier, so you can connect to your existing workflow. For example, let's connect Google Calendar. Go to Integrations, find Google Calendar, and sync your tasks to see deadlines right in your calendar. With over 1,000 integrations, ClickUp can fit into any setup. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to ClickUp. We've covered what ClickUp is, how to set up your account, navigate the interface, create tasks, and use key features like docs, time tracking, automations, and integrations. Now you're ready to organize your projects and boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Answer This for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Want to try ClickUp for free? Check the link in the description to sign up and start exploring. Let me know in the comments what's the first project you're going to tackle in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.